Nag-countdown. So guys, bumibili na kami ng mga cut out natin yun.
Ay, ang sexy ko dyan. Yung click na yan, saan mo kayo dyan? 12:04.
It's 12:04. My God, I'm so hungry.
Ay, hindi ito. Yung ang ba sa akin. Pero sabi ko kanina na aksidente at sabi ko yung
Guys, nakabili na kami guys.
Hindi pala. Ay!
Yan guys. Nagpa-pack up na kami ni Enos. Nagpa-fuck kami. Kakatapos niya lang nagpa-fuck up. As kasi kakatapos lang namin kumain.
Keep coming from wall to wall. So many look good in here. I just don't know which one I want.
Hindi talaga.
Hindi na kami makakatulog ni Enos na ito. Kasi excited na kami, hindi na namin pinaparamdam sa isa't isa.
This is our second trip together.
Yay! Here's some more trip to come.
Next year. See you somebody.
The next day.
Hi guys, anong oras na ba? Time check guys. It's already. What time is it? And we just woke up. Woke up like this with a fucking beautiful face. Good morning guys. Nantok pa ako.
Now, let's gayak-gayak na.
Tapos
Durog kang tunggaw eh.
ginanong pa. Tuloy pala yung outing. Tuloy pala yung outing.
Mag-ano ka ba? Magsasaluhan ka ba?
Saan? Dito.
Stop it.
Guys, we're here at Baguio. Guys, ay para siyang si ano dyan. Si Rosa. Pupunta kami ngayon sa... Nasa apartment na kami. SM. Ang sarap ng kasama. Ay, parang busog na ako. Huwag na ako kumain. Tara na. Ay, sarado na sila. It's already 5:48.
You're gonna wanna be my best friend, baby. You're gonna wanna be my best friend. I said that. You're gonna wanna be my best friend, baby. You're gonna wanna be my best friend. Yes.
Tom's World dito. Tapos naka 3,000 dito. Alin? Oo nga. 3,111 kami. So, mapalit namin siya ng 5 biscuits and cokes. Guys, busy ako mag-vlog. Tapos yung isa, every time siya. Mamaya pa ngayon. Kasi, I'm enjoying the moment. Guys, ang ganda nung nakuha naming staycation. Lapit sa SM.
DJ JB in London.
Good morning, guys.
Kailangan kasi mga liyo.
Ayun,
Nagulat ako na biglang yung mga yakap sa akin.
namimiss ko siya.
Tignan mo yung kayo.
Tayo ang buhay ni Eros. Where are we going?
We're going to my
Come with me, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look, and you'll see into your imagination. We'll begin with a spin, traveling in the world of my creation. What we'll see will defy explanation. If you want to view paradise, simply look around and view it. Anything you want to do it. Want to change the world, there's nothing to it. There is no life I know to compare with pure imagination. Living there, you'll be free if you truly wish to be.
Kamusta naman ang wallet ng Disney Princess? Well, so pretty.
Nakaganon kahit yung kanina yan.
Kadila. Paano? At
Hindi na
least,
kami makakauwi.
siguro maglakad na lang tayo.
Hindi, parang feeling ko,
Ay, ayaw kami payagan ni Kuya ng guard na